Yo, check this out. It states that a study reveals only 4 days of junk food can rewire the brain's memory center, disrupting learning, focus, and cognitive function. And this is a biological attack that's maliciously done due to the fact that they know we're gods and goddesses. This is why they feed us refined sugar as well as bioengineered genetically modified organisms. Basically, their objective is to keep us in an R complex or reptilian brain stuck in fight or flight. When this happens, it basically keeps us stuck in between a root and sacral chakra. The food we eat determines if we receive Kundalini activations, and a lot of the food is bioengineered, with genetically modified organisms to override our genetic template. This was all orchestrated by the Melnelevant extraterrestrial factions to hijack this realm. Initially, we were seeded with a 12-strand genetic sequence by founder collectives such as the Syrians and Anuhazi, but Melnelevant extraterrestrials such as the Sakar Empire, which are Alpha Draconians, and the Jehovian Anunnaki, which are descendants from Enlil's lineage, wanted to suppress our true cognitive abilities. When you hear talks about this interstellar object called the Three-Eye Atlas, it's actually referencing our third eye chakra activation. There are some that even allege that this vessel is being piloted by the Lyrans, and when this interstellar object gets in close proximity with our sun, it's going to actually have a weird connection, harmonic resonance with the magnetosphere, thus operating our 12-strand genetic template that we originally were seeded with. Right now, it's very important to be very cautious what you put in your body. This is why I recommend utilization of a parasite cleanse, using things like chlorophyll due to the fact that our bodies are very closely related to plants, and also utilizing certain herbs to decalcify and activate the pineal gland. A great Ayurvedic herb that actually cleanses all of the brains in your anatomy. And remember, you have 4 brains, You have a brain in your genitalia, you have a brain in your gut, you have a brain in your heart, and you have the brain in your skull. Triphala is composed of Amla, Haritaki, as well as Bibataki. This literally will flush out all of the neurons in your body, and it's great for restabilizing your gut flora. And again, it does contain Haritaki, so it also decalcifies and activates the pineal gland. The Amla in it actually builds your immune system, And the Bibataki has been known to improve heart health as well as digestion. This herb will actually ensure that you're using the bathroom regularly. It ensures that your bowel movement is regular. And it also eradicates parasites in the colon. This is a Ayurvedic herb that the shamans and yogis use regularly during their ascension path. I do have the Ayurvedic Triphala capsules available on Holistic Remedies link in bio. And it's important that we're detoxing the body with chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is the substance responsible for giving plants its green pigment. The vegan chlorophyll complex is very potent, and it removes toxic metals such as arsenic, lead, cadmium, mercury, and even microplastics. For all high-quality herbs and metaphysical products for spiritual elevation, click the link in my bio and visit Holistic Remedies, your extension to ascension.